people, ukuthi we can try our best in everything, but people will always find a way of doing some things that are not correct. Ubugebengu buhlale bukhona, and this is what we are always trying to curb and correct when it happens. These things, these rogue elements, are from political parties. There is a mission by certain political parties to destabilize this country, and their members are in these marches. And when they come to these matches, they come with the same attitude to want to destabilize the country. And Tina ezinsizwa, because singamadoda, we will never allow that. That's why me, when you see me in the matches, I make sure at all times that I talk against wearing of political regalias, because if somebody is wearing a political regalia, they would want to do something for their party, not for South Africa, not for the match. So when we are coming to these matches, lapho khona mina, people must not wear political regalias, and they must be always patriotic about South Africa. Politics is new, the country is older than everything.